Let's roll up our sleeves this Earth Day and start in yards and neighborhoods with residential lawns. Grass is the champion of restoration because it pushes out the highest proportion of carbohydrates. 50% of what is manufactured through photosynthesis uses the carbon dioxide pulled out of the air. Grasslands co-evolved with hoofed animals that walk on their toenails to break up tough plant fibers. If not stomped, chewed, or cut, plants left fallow on top of the ground rot and gas out carbon dioxide. By mowing our lawns, plant fibers are returned to the soil by springtails cutting, worms swallowing, and microbes, fungi, and bacteria digesting. However, applying fertilizer to an established lawn disrupts this carbon nutrient cycle. It kills beneficial microbes and nematodes, destroying the living ecosystems we call soil. Without the manufactured nutrients and chemicals, roots can go deep and open the soil for oxygen, water, and life. A supportive network of fungi and bacteria spreads beneath the turf. Bacteria prepare nutrients and enzymes requested by the plants. The fungal mycorrhizal wood wide web connects plants to bacteria. A natural lawn can build an inch of soil per year. Sticky carbohydrates hold minerals far apart, so much so that 4 inches of soil can hold 7 inches of rain. Soils with more carbon are deeper to protect homes from extreme weather events. It's been found that retaining water in our landscapes could potentially reduce sea level rise by 25%. Increasing soil depth benefits everyone, and healthy plants pull down more carbon dioxide to further reduce greenhouse gases.